Okay, so here's how you download games on the Nintendo Switch. So basically you need a Nintendo account that you need to create after you set up your Switch, and then after you have a Nintendo account you want to go down to the Nintendo eShop, which is the third option right here. So if we select this Nintendo eShop, as you can see, it will ask us for which account we want to use. So after you have selected the account that you want to use, it will take us to the offers page. Here you can search for different games, and I'm going to show you how you can search for free games. So you just go to search, and then you go to filtered search, which is this option, and then you want to filter it by price range, which is this, and we can select the amount right here. So for free download, and then you just gotta go to the site and search, and this will give you a list of all of the free games that you can select and download on the Nintendo Switch. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.